Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into an amazing WooCommerce discount plugin called Disco Plugin. If you're running a WooCommerce store and want to offer smart, automated discounts like buy one, get one, free shipping, cart discounts, or bulk offers, then this video is absolutely for you. We'll cover how to install and set up the Disco plugin, how to use all 6 discount intents, the difference between the free and pro versions, and finally, how to get 10% off using an exclusive coupon code. So, let's get started. Let's first see what is the Disco plugin. The Disco plugin is a powerful discount automation tool for WooCommerce. Instead of manually creating coupon codes, Disco automatically applies discounts based on user behavior, products, or cart conditions. It comes in 2 versions: free version, available on WordPress.org, pro version, available on discoplugin.com with advanced features. You'll find the affiliate link in the description. If you decide to buy using that link, it really helps support our channel and means a lot to us. In this video, I'll be using the Pro version to give you a complete overview of all the features. First, let's quickly look at the difference between the free and Pro versions of this amazing WooCommerce discount plugin. The free version gives you all the basic discount options, like setting discounts on specific products or categories, cart-based discounts, and fixed cart discounts. It's perfect for beginners who just want to set up simple deals. But when you upgrade to the Pro version, you unlock powerful features like customer-specific pricing, location-based discounts, bulk order offers, brand-based and payment method discounts, and even special buy one, get one offers. Plus, you get advanced tools like user limits, discount pop-ups with visuals, and full multi-currency support for international stores. So if you want to grow your WooCommerce sales and make your discounts smarter, the Pro version is totally worth it. Now I'll show you how to install and activate the Disco plugin for WooCommerce site quickly and easily. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Now go through Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Disco, and you'll see the plugin appear in the list. Click on Install, and once it's done, hit Activate. You'll see all the plugin setting option in the Disco tab. If you've purchased the Pro version, you have received a zip file of the plugin by email. You can also download the Pro version plugin zip from Account page on discoplugin.com. To upload it, go back to your WordPress dashboard and click Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin. Now choose the zip file, click Install Now, and then Activate Plugin. Once activated, the plugin will be ready to use. After activation, you'll see a new option in Dashboard Disco. That's where you'll find all the settings to create smart discounts like buy one, get one, cart-based discounts, bulk offers, and much more. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated the Disco Plugin Pro on your WooCommerce store. We're going to learn about all 6 discount intents, and we'll start with one of the most useful, the product discount intent. This feature helps you create smart discounts for your online store in just a few easy steps. Let's check it out with some examples. Example 1, Diwali Festival Discount. So Diwali is here, and it's the best time to offer something exciting to your customers. Let's create a 20% discount on all products for the Diwali festival. Here's how to set it up step by step. First, open the product discount intent. Click on Create New Campaign and name it Diwali Offer 20% Discount. In the Filter Product section, you'll see 2 options: All Products, to apply the discount across your entire store, and Few Products, to choose specific items only. Since this is a festival offer, we'll select All Products. Next, you'll find the User Limit option. This lets you control how many users can use the discount. But for Diwali, we want everyone to enjoy this offer, so we'll leave it blank. Now set the date range for the campaign. Start date, 16th October, end date, 23rd October. Under Discount Type, choose Percentage
and enter 20 as the value. Once done, click Save and Exit, and your Diwali campaign is ready. Now, go to your store and check. You'll see the 20% discount automatically applied to all products. It's a perfect setup for festival or seasonal sales. Example 2. Winter collection discount. Let's look at another example. Winter is coming, and that means it's time for some amazing offers on your winter collection. This time, we'll set a 20% discount only for the winter collection category. Here's how to do it. First, disable your previous Diwali campaign. Then, click Create Discount to start a new one. Give it a name, 20% discount on winter collection. In the Filter Products section, select All Products again. We won't set any user limit or date range this time. Under Discount Type, choose Percentage and enter 20 as the value. Now click the Add Condition button. From the drop-down menu, select Category. In the In List option, choose Winter Collection from the list. And that's it. This discount will now apply only to your winter collection products, not to the rest of your store. Finally, click Save and Exit, and your new campaign is live. Go back to your store, select a product from the winter collection, and you'll see the 20% discount applied automatically. And that's how simple it is to create product-based and category-based discounts using the Product Discount Intent feature.
Now let's move on to our next discount intent, but before that, make sure to disable your previous campaign first. Once that's done, click on Create Discount, and this time we'll explore the Cart Discount Intent. Cart Discount Intent allows customers to automatically receive a discount during checkout based on their cart total. Let's understand this with two practical examples. Example 1. 10% off on orders above $500. Let's say you want to offer a 10% discount whenever a customer spends $500 or more in a single order. Here's how to set it up step by step. First, select Cart Discount Intent. Then click New Campaign and name it 10% off on orders above $500. In the Filter section, choose All Products. This means the discount will apply to all products in your store. No need to set a user limit or a valid date for this example. Now, under Discount Type, select Product Discount. Enter the discount value as 10. In the discount label, type 10% off just for you. Next, go to Set Condition, click on To Add a Condition. From the drop-down, select Cart Subtotal. Choose the condition greater than or equal and set the value to 500. Finally, click Save and Exit. That's it. Now, whenever a customer spends $500 or more, they'll automatically receive a 10% discount at checkout. Go to your store, add items worth $500 or more to the cart, and you'll see the discount is applied automatically. Example 2. $20 off on orders over $600. Now let's look at another example. This time, we'll offer a flat $20 discount when a customer's order total goes above $600. Here's how to do it. First, disable your previous campaign. Then click Create Discount again. Create a new campaign and name it $20 off on orders over $600. Select Cart Discount Intent. Again, no need to set a user limit or date range for this example. Under Discount Type, select Fixed Discount. Enter the discount value as 20. In the discount label, write $20 off just for you. Now click on Add Condition. From the drop-down, select Cart Total. Choose Greater than or Equal and set the value to 600. Finally, click Save and Exit. And that's it. Now, whenever a customer's cart total crosses $600, they'll instantly get $20 off automatically applied at checkout. Go to your store, add products worth more than $600, and you'll see the discount appear right away in the Add to Cart section.
Before we move ahead, make sure to disable your previous campaign first. Once that's done, click on Create Discount. Now, let's talk about our next discount intent, shipping discount intent. This feature lets you automatically offer free or discounted shipping in your store based on factors like location, cart total, or even specific products. Let's understand it step by step with two practical examples. Example 1. Free shipping for a specific product. In this example, we'll offer free shipping for one particular product. Here's how my shipping setup currently looks. Uttarakhand, free shipping. Delhi, flat rate 100 rupees. Rest of the world, flat rate 100 rupees. Now, I want to make sure that one specific product always gets free shipping automatically, no matter where it's delivered. Let's set it up. Go to your Disco dashboard. Open the Shipping section. Set the campaign name as Free Shipping for Product. From your store, choose Few Products, the specific ones you want to offer free shipping on. Set a user limit of 50. That means only the first 50 users can enjoy this offer. There's no need to add any condition here. Click Save and Exit. That's it. Your campaign is now live. Now head to your store and check. You'll see that free shipping is automatically applied on your selected products. Before moving to the next example, don't forget to disable this campaign first, then click Create Discount again. Example 2. Free shipping on orders over 500 rupees. Now, let's say you want to offer free shipping whenever a customer spends 500 rupees or more. Here's how to set it up. Go back to the Shipping Discount Intent section, create a new campaign, and name it Free Shipping over 500 rupees. You don't need to set any user limit or valid date this time. Go to the Set Condition section. From the drop-down, choose Cart Total. Select the condition, greater than or equal, and set the value to 500. Finally, click Save and Exit. You see that our campaign is live. Then go to the store and check the discount apply properly or not. And that's it. Now, whenever a customer's cart total is 500 rupees or more, free shipping will automatically apply at checkout. Now let's move on to our next discount intent. But before that, make sure to disable your previous discount campaign first. Once that's done, click on Create Discount, because now we're going to talk about the bulk discount intent. Bulk discount intent is perfect for wholesale or multi-quantity purchases. It helps you reward customers who buy more items in one go. Let's understand how it works with two simple examples. Example 1. Buy 2 to 5 units and get 5% off. When a customer buys between 2 and 5 units of a product, they'll automatically receive a 5% discount. Example 2. Buy 6 to 10 units and get 10% off. And if a customer buys 6 to 10 units, they'll get a 10% discount automatically applied to their order. Now, let's see how to set this up step by step. First, create a new campaign and name it Bulk Discount Quantity. Then go to the Bulk Discount Intent section. In the Filter Product section, select Few Products and choose one product, for example, fleece sweatshirt. We don't need to set any user limit or valid date here. Now scroll down to the Bulk Rules section. For the first rule, set the minimum quantity to 2. Set the maximum quantity to 5. Under Discount Type, choose Percentage Discount. Enter the discount value as 5%. Now add another rule. Set the minimum quantity to 6. Set the maximum quantity to 10. Under Discount Type, again select Percentage Discount. Enter the discount value as 10%. There's no need to add any extra conditions here. Once done, click Save and Exit.
Before we move forward, make sure to disable your previous campaign first. Once that's done, click on Create Discount, because now we're going to talk about a really exciting feature, the bundle discount intent. What is a bundle discount? A bundle discount gives your customers a special price when they buy specific products together, perfect for encouraging more sales and bigger orders. Let's understand this with two quick examples. Example 1. Buy 2 items and get 10% off. If a customer buys 2 products together, they'll automatically get a 10% discount. Example 2. Buy 5 items and get 20% off. And if a customer buys 5 items together, they'll receive a 20% discount on their order. Let's set it up, step by step. First, create a new campaign and name it Bundle Discount Quantity. Then, from the options, select the bulk intent type. Under the Filter Products section, choose All Products, so this offer applies to every product in your store. No need to set any user limit or valid date range. Now, scroll down to the Bundle Rules section. For the first rule, set the item quantity to 2 items per bundle. Choose Discount Type, Product Discount. Set the discount value to 10%. Now add another rule. Set the item quantity to 5 items per bundle. Choose Discount Type, Product Discount, and set the discount value to 20%. No need to add any extra conditions here. Once you're done, just click Save and Exit. And that's it. Your bundle discount campaign is now live. Now go ahead and check your store. When a customer adds 2 products to their cart, they'll instantly get 10% off. And if they add 5 products, they'll automatically get a 20% discount.
Before we start setting up the BOGO discount intent, the first thing you need to do is disable your existing campaign. Once that's done, click on Create Discount. And now let's talk about the BOGO discount intent. So BOGO stands for Buy One, Get One, and it comes in 3 types. Buy X, Get X, same product. Buy X, Get Y, specific products. Buy X, Get Y, categories. BOGO Type 1, Buy X, Get X, same product. This is the classic Buy One, Get One free offer for the same product. That means when a customer buys one item, the second one is automatically added for free. Let's take an example. If a customer purchases one product, they'll automatically get the same product for free. To set this up, first give your campaign a name. Let's say BOGO. Then select BOGO Type. Buy X, Get X. Now set up your BOGO rules. Minimum quantity, 1. Maximum quantity, set your limit. Customer get, 1. Discount type, free items. Once done, click Save and Exit, and then test it on your store front end. Now when you purchase one product, the free item you selected will automatically be added to the cart. BOGO Type 2. Buy X, Get Y. Different products. This type lets you offer a free or discounted product when a customer buys another product. To set this up, select BOGO Type, Buy X, Get Y. Then under BOGO Rules, minimum quantity, 1. Maximum quantity, your choice. Customer get, select the products you want to offer for free. For example, get item 1. Discount type, free item. Click Save and Exit, and then test it on your store front end. Now, when you purchase one product, the free item you selected will automatically be added to the cart.
Guys, if you want to get the Disco Plugin Pro, you'll find the link in our description box below. Just click on that link, it'll take you straight to the pricing page. Here you'll see 3 packages, one for a single site, one for 5 sites, and one for 10 sites, and you can choose between yearly or lifetime plans. Now the best part is, you don't have to pay the full price. If you come through our link, you'll get a 10% discount. Just use the coupon code BUDDY10 at checkout. Let me show you. I'll select the single site plan and click Buy Now. Then just enter your email address, name, and country. Now apply the coupon code BUDDY10, and as you can see, the coupon is applied successfully and your 10% discount is active. Today we talked about this, and I hope you learned something new today.
We also offer WordPress development services. Need a custom theme or extra features? Hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Thanks for watching.